Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Danny, where are we on this beautiful pit stop adventure?
You'll see behind me there's a giant pop bottle. So we are at Pop's 66, which is on Route 66.
Let's go adventuring! Pop's 66 Soda Ranch is located in Arcadia, Oklahoma, about 100 miles southwest of Tulsa. The iconic 66-foot tall soda bottle sculpture out front is sure to bring in travelers from all over. On the inside, Pop's has a restaurant, plenty of merchandise, candy, and enough flavors of soda to please everyone in your group. So yeah, the Pops here.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. That's like their 4th of July version. Cool.
I have a bunch of just Pops shirts through here.
I want to see.
It's got the
oh, very nice
sign out there.
I like that one.
Do you like the Abba Zaba?
I didn't know that they had a chocolate and peanut butter one. But Abba Zaba
Oh,
is where
there's
it's
my
at.
jam, Necco wafers.
If you want to eat a piece of chalk.
I love chalk.
I think we're gonna make our own 6-pack. So, from what we've learned, they have allegedly over 700 types of pop that you can get and try it out. So, I don't even know where to start.
Looks like it's organized by color.
It might be, okay, look like this is the root beer section. There's probably, yeah. So it's like it's all root beer or sarsaparilla.
Do you have a favorite root beer?
Oh,
that's butterscotch root beer.
I mean, I have
Farmer's
a root beer like if we were to go to the store and just buy a pack of it, but a craft root beer? No, I don't have a
Fruit
favorite.
sarsaparilla. Dang! It's a type of root beer. What about a hippo-sized beverage? Live hippo.
Hippo size. Which one are you gonna pick?
I don't-
Dang root beer. That's what I'm gonna get.
Should I get this one? It's us against them. Rat bastard root beer. Quit being a dick and drink it.
Yes. I got dang root beer.
Dang.
So-
You got dang.
So we each got a root beer.
What's our next thing? We got
I don't
root
know.
beers.
I don't know. What's over here? Coffee soda? Wonky flavors over here.
Yeah, we want the
Carrot
cold
cake.
stuff, don't we?
Yes, but I want to see what flavors there are.
Oh, how about we each pick...
Marshmallow.
Here, we each pick
Ew.
one for the other person. Danny,
Ew.
I'll get you enchilada.
No.
What about kitty piddle?
Pickle soda.
You want kitty piddle?
Spicy pickle soda. I would actually get you something that you would like,
Okay,
which would be pickle soda.
I get you a whirly pop. Oh, you've always wanted another dog.
Peanut butter and jelly. These are all like funny flavors. No, I don't want enchilada soda. Or, I don't know if you could say that on.
Where's the pickle one that you said?
Right there, spicy pickle soda, or there's a pickle flavored soda. Dinosaur dung. How about this one?
I would almost try this. But it's got cane sugar called out right there. Does that mean it's gonna be a sweet pickle?
I don't know.
I don't know if I can do that. If you've ever been to Pop's or plan on going, let us know what 6 flavors would be going home with you.
Ooh, I'm gonna get a grape. Yes! Oh, ooh, that bottle's cool.
I really like their magnet selection, and this 100-year magnet came home with us.
Ooh.
This is delicious. If you've never tried Squirt, you should definitely add it to your list of Pops to try.
So refreshing.
It's a grapefruit soda, which just grapefruit in general, I don't feel like it gets, much recognition, but Squirt is definitely legit. Adventurers, this concludes our quick pit stop to Pop 66 on historic Route 66.
If you enjoyed this adventure and want to see more of our content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can see a new video every single Friday, and head over to Facebook and Instagram and follow us there as well.
We'll see you on our next adventure!